These instructions apply to all of these Coravin systems. For this video, we will unbox the Model 3. The first thing you will see when you open the box is the user manual. Inside are detailed instructions and tips on how to use this product. You will also find the needle clearing tool in the first page. Next, you will find the accessories box. Inside, you'll find 2 Coravin Pure Argon capsules and a wine bottle sleeve. Slide your Coravin system out of the box. Open the box to reveal your Coravin system. Review the quick start guide on the inner flap. Remove your Coravin system from the plastic bag. Read and then peel off the instructional stickers from your system. Pull off and discard the yellow tab that protects the needle during shipping. Other models may include additional accessories. For instructions on using your Coravin system, please refer to our video library. Coravin. Savor the glass, preserve the bottle.